Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your logged in account on your Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and if you are playing on a new device, you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels. Once you complete these levels, you will gain access to the main menu. Now in order to switch your account, tap on the gear icon from the homepage at the bottom section and then tap on account. Now from the account page, you will see the switch account button. You can simply click on this button and you will be asked to choose either your Google or your Facebook account. If you have already used your Google account previously, go ahead and tap on the Facebook option and you will now be asked to continue forward with your Facebook credentials and to allow access to your account. After you allow access by tapping on the continue as button, you will be logged into your other account and the progress will now be changed into the account that you just logged in, and you can continue playing forward from your previous save. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your active account on the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.